Hi everyone! It's Indoorsy Mom, and today I'm sharing a simple yet powerful meal that's perfect for anyone watching their blood sugar or managing fatty liver. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Join me in the kitchen as we prepare a nutritious plate that supports your body naturally. For this meal, I started by boiling ladyfinger, also known as okra. This veggie is rich in fiber and helps slow down sugar absorption, which is great for controlling blood sugar. It also contains antioxidants and supports liver detoxification, perfect for those with fatty liver. Next, I'm frying some mackerel using olive oil. I love mackerel because it's a fatty fish that's rich in omega-3, helping reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol levels, and support liver health. While frying, I add a generous amount of whole garlic cloves. Garlic is not just flavorful. It also helps lower blood pressure, regulate blood sugar, and boost liver function naturally. To complete the meal, I sliced up some fresh cucumber. It's hydrating, low in calories, and helps flush out toxins. I'm also adding a side of my leftover sautéed spinach. Spinach is full of vitamins, iron, and supports healthy digestion. Here's my simple but powerful plate. Perfect for anyone who wants to eat well, feel better, and take care of their body. If you're working on lowering your sugar levels or reversing fatty liver, meals like this can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Indoorsy Mom for more healthy recipes. Comment below what healthy dish you want to see next. See you in the next one.